Hey guys, your C drive is full and showing a red bar, making your computer slow and unable to save data. Today, I'll show you how to clean up your C drive and free up space instantly with just one CMD command. The Hiberfil.sys file in your C drive is often the culprit behind a red bar or low disk space warning. This file stores the entire system state when Hibernate mode is enabled, including all running applications and data currently in your RAM. Consequently, it typically occupies 50 to 75% of your total RAM capacity. In reality, maintaining the Hiberfil.sys file is unnecessary if you don't use the Hibernate feature. Therefore, if you don't need this mode, you should consider deleting the file to reclaim significant storage space. If you want to free up your C drive, please follow the instructions in the video below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for updates on helpful videos.